Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Manually retyping and reformatting data from a scanned PDF file into an Excel file can be a tedious task, but you don't have to do this. Instead, you can save time by easily converting your PDF into an Excel file with just a few simple clicks using PDFelement. Let's get started. Launch PDFelement and click on the Open File button to import your scanned PDF. You can also directly drag and drop a scanned PDF file into the program from your local folder. In the Convert tab, click on the option to Excel. A dialog box for Excel conversion will open. Adjust settings as required for your Excel sheet. Go to Excel tab, and here, you need to click the Setting button in the pop-up window to make sure the OCR feature is activated. After conversion, you will receive a full editable Excel document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful ways to improve your daily routine working with PDFs. Thanks, and see you next time!